Welcome to Libby Tutorial. Libby provides the services of Electronic Lab Notebook and Laboratory Information Management System. The Detail view in Libby displays the detail of a record. Libby uses columns to store structured data, and sections to store unstructured data. This tutorial will walk through the functions related to the Sections view. To open the Sections view of a record, click the name of the record in the List view. You shall able to see the Sections view in the New tab. If the Columns view is opened in default, you can switch to the Sections view by clicking the Sections view at the side panel. You can define the Sections view to be opened in default by changing the default view to Sections in the table settings. The Sections view displays different types of unstructured data in a list of sections. Each section uses a widget to display and edit one type of unstructured data. Please check each widget for specific usage. A section has a name bar, a menu drops down for more actions, the section content, section description, widget information, and the changelog. Inside the menu dropdown, you can change the section details, reset section content, archive the section. Click Workflow View to view the section in an individual window. The section data can also be saved for later use. The data can be saved at the personnel level, project level, organization level, and table level. Once saved, the section data will be copied over when a new section with the same name is created. You can also submit a support ticket about this section, and open the documentation specific to the widget. A new section can be added by clicking the plus icon between the sections. Then, select a widget. Provide the section name and description. Click Submit button, and a new section will be added. If default sections are configured, sections can be added automatically when a record is created. The content of a section can be collapsed or expanded by clicking the name bar. The order of sections can be changed by drag the handle icon, and drop it in the right place. I hope this video is helpful. Please subscribe to our channel to get the most recent updates. If you would like to learn more about Libby ELN and LIMS, you can schedule a free online demo at schedule.libby.com.